Okay, BD bisects ABC. We should draw it. Let's draw it. It's always good to do a sketch. Helpful. Actually, let me use our lines that we can do. Okay, so we've got this here, some angle, and we're now bisecting that angle. Okay, and let's label them as, it's bisecting ABC, so let's say at some point here we've got some point that's A. We've got as the middle letter B, so that means that the vertex is going to be B, and then C. Here is ABC, and it's being bisected by BD, B to D. What does it mean to be bisected? It means that that is going to be perfectly equal to that in measure. So if we know the whole thing is equal to, oh, by the way, let me mark the whole thing. The whole thing we could mark in green, because we would say that whole angle, angle ABC, or the measure of that whole angle, let's say, is 7x. Okay, and ABD, that's just this angle here, ABD is going to measure 3x plus 20. Well, fun fact, if this measures 3x plus 20, and DBC is congruent to it because it's bisected, so those two angles are congruent, then that also should be able to be described by 3x plus 20. Okay? And what are we then dealing with? Well, what we're dealing with now is this situation where you have the angle addition postulate. This amount plus this amount should equal the entire thing, 7x. And how do we know that they're adjacent? They're sharing a side. That line split them up, so they're perfectly right next to each other. So we say 2 times, since we have it twice, we could say 2 times 3x plus 20. That amount once, twice, will be equal to 7x. Now let's simplify it out. 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times 20, 40. Equals 7x. Okay? And then we're just going to solve this thing. We're going to subtract 6x from both sides. And we get 40 equals 7x minus 6x is just x. Nice. We know what x is. That's not what they're asking, though. They're asking us to find DBC. Well, remember that ABD is going to be congruent to DBC because they are congruent since that bigger angle was bisected. So we can use 3x plus 20 to describe it and say, okay, let's go here at 3x plus 20 and plug in what we know x to be. We found that x was 40. So 3 times 40 is 120, plus 20 is 140 degrees, is the measure of angle DBC is equal to 140 degrees. And we're done marking D as our answer because that was one of the choices. And if you solve this out without looking at the answers, sometimes looking at the answers helps you really easily eliminate things. But sometimes you just want to actually solve it out the way that you know it's supposed to be solved, and then just be confirmed in your answer by looking at the choices and saying, aha, see, that was one of the choices. Now, sometimes you'll get false choices that if you calculate wrong, you might get that number. So they're not just randomly picking numbers up there. They're picking ones that you might get if you didn't do it right. So it doesn't guarantee if you see it that it's going to be right, but if you don't see it, then that means that you didn't do it right. So if you do see it, that's a good sign. Yeah.